शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषः शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति शतमानं भवति शतमानकं शतमानं भवति शतायुः शतायुर्भवति शतमानकं शतमानं भवति शतायुः शतमानमिति शता.
Respected Shri Vishnudev Verma, Honorable Governor of Telangana, Dr. Sudha Narayan Murthy, who is a great idol for us, ma'am, especially with your humility and your knowledge, Member Rajya Sabha, Srimati Devasena, Srimati Vidya Bharati, and Shri Gunta Lakshman Garu, Professor Sudhakar Reddy, and eminent women academicians. Andaru Mahanubhavuliki na Shatakoti Vandanalu Namaskaralu. Let me at the outset thank ABRSM and ICCR for inviting me here to be amongst you. Yes, I thank the present government. Let me tell you, for all the left and the liberal people talk about women's rights, it took the present Prime Minister and his government to appoint the first woman Vice Chancellor to India's most revolutionary university. So it is this government that walks the talk. So hence, I thank the government as well as this. And let me tell you, we women can take up any challenges. We come from a feminist civilization of Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. And here all of you, seeing so many of you, let me congratulate the organizers. I've never seen so many women and so few men. And that itself is an achievement. And I'm so happy, Gunta Lakshman Garu, behind every successful woman, we have strong men. Thank you so much. And I'm not here to advise most of you, but I'm here to tell you all that we are, as women, natural educators. Number two, we have to break subject barriers, and we can break them. Leadership in STEM. And I would request women to bring in gender-inclusive curriculum, institutional leadership. Please let me tell you that difficult problems are mostly solved by women. Do you know who are the most powerful cabinet ministers of Indira's cabinet? Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, and then Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Durga, the goddess of power. Whether you say knowledge is power or power is knowledge, it is with women. So hence, sir, we are a feminist civilization, and I'm so happy that ABVRSM has been able to bring you all together. And let me also say that we have to build a value-based leadership model. This Prime Minister has called for Nari Shakti and women-led development, meaning women in front. And I thank Gunta Lakshman Garu and his team for putting women in front and helping them from behind. Thank you so much. And I thank the governor, who also has proved that he's a great feminist and a humanist, to be among us today and support the role of women in nation building. And nobody better than Sudha Murthy here. Madam, I'm greatly obliged to share the stage with you. And once again, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. Let me tell you, women, you have nothing to look back at it. This is your time. Please move ahead. We are a society that does not believe in opposition. We believe in balance, in Ardhanarishwar. And hence, both the masculine and the feminine are in balance and harmony. So hence, let us build a narrative that is an Indic narrative where the feminist is in harmony with the masculine and peace in the world. Today is also the World Peace Day, and I wish all of us, young women academicians who have come from all over India, thank you so much to be here, and I hope all of you will become better than most of us who are in leadership positions. Thank you once again. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.